How to fix NFL Sunday Ticket error code 403. Error code 403 usually means your account or region isn't authorized, there's a login issue, or your device or app cache is interfering. To solve this issue, firstly, open your website or app from where you watch the NFL Sunday Ticket. After that, you will need to clear your cache for the app or the website. If you are using your website, then open a new tab and click on the three-line icon at the top right corner. Then select the option Settings. From the very left panel, click on Privacy and Security. Now select Delete Browsing Data. From last hour, select All Time and click on Delete Data. If you are having login issues, then make sure to log out and log in again. Now give your device a quick restart. After restarting your device, try again and your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing some kind of problem, then make sure to use a different browser. Sometimes using multiple or a different web browser to sign in might solve these kind of minor issues. That's all for today. Thank you.